Alright, so what's up everybody? Right here, I got my quadruped. I've been working on this for about a month and a half, just scouring the internet for code on how to make it work. I kind of got it to work, but I realized there are a lot of flaws with this design. It isn't that stable. The weight distribution is terrible, and just all these little things. But I can do a few things with it though. Like, turn this on. So as it is, I can't get it to stand. Oh no, wait. Why is it not? Oh, better. Okay, so this right here is it moving forward. Backwards. Kind of needs a little assistance. Then I'm just stop that. Go forward again. Yeah, it's not the greatest. So forward again. I'm gonna just stop that. Then it's standing pose. Then the sitting pose. Probably not great for the battery, but yeah, so that's what we have right here. As you can see, I got the Mega right there. I got the receiver. I got the breadboard, got the battery right here, and I got the Adafruit servo driver. And I got all the 12 servos. Okay, so now that you've seen it working, I'm gonna start designing the newer version. I'm gonna get the legs right. I'm gonna fix the center of gravity. I'm gonna get everything right. And I also found this nice code for inverse kinematics. So I'm gonna try and integrate that into the code for the next version. Hopefully I can get it to work right. So in the bottom of the video, I'll post the source code I got from GitHub. I'll post where I got all the parts from. I'll post the print I'm using. Some of those will be affiliate links, just so you're aware. And yeah, so please subscribe, like the video, comment, and yeah.